My name is Catalina Tudor, and I am the director of Casa de Ballet School in Bucharest, Romania, and the Ballet Workshops intensive training programs.
I have taught nearly all of the Royal Ballet Company, but all of them have been my babies from the age of 12 or 16.
In collaboration with Anita Young, who's also here, we have the working more on the English style, which has a slightly different use of port de bras, and the use of the back is slightly different.
I'm here for the summer camp for the first time, and I'm very happy. I think it's a beautiful experience, beautiful opportunity also for the young talented dancers to learn to work with international choreographers, directors, teachers from all around.
I was walking around watching classes, and it was so beautiful to see many classes going in the same time, and it's give more opportunity for the kids to have a pas de deux and to have a contemporary and to have a classical ballet and repertoire and point and the BBT. So that I think it's something very good for the kids.
Într-o muncă intensă am reușit împreună să aducem la lumină și un spectacol ca o concluzie a întregii munci depuse.
I was working with adult students from 16 years old. I was giving some classes, and for performance I was working on Sleeping Beauty, Bluebird, Padada, and Grandpa.
Este intensiv. M-a ajutat foarte mult. E foarte diferit și chiar cred că ajută enorm de mult.
E totul foarte bine organizat.
Se pare o experiență foarte bună și diferită.
I would recommend it to anybody who wishes to expand both their technique and artistry.
Our mission is to offer a top-notch experience that allows young dancers to develop their skills, network with peers and professionals, and gain priceless performance experience.
I must say it has been a good experience because the dancers were very hungry, very receptive, but I think it was a beautiful opportunity for them to learn, to work, or to speak a new language.
Să ajungem la niște performanțe, zic eu, bune. Pe lângă dificultatea în sine, o să le aducă și un succes și o experiență pe măsură.
To come back and to pick up and see their growth as well and their understanding. And I must say some of them have made a lot of progress.
To be presentable on the stage, that they are still students, yes, but they have to look like real artists to take this out of the show, to feel that they already grown up.
You know, I mean, we've all been dancers and we all know how hard it is to get up on the stage with nerves and everything. But at the end of the day, you're entertaining the public, and just having a smile just lifts your body, lifts your spirits. It makes people feel better. You only mirror people. And just enjoy what you do, because you're not young very long. And these are the best years of your life. And plus I said to them, you're actually going to get paid one day to do something that you love. And think of all the people in the world that do not have that opportunity. And it's very special.